Hello everyone, welcome back to English with Kavita Kapoor. Today I am there before you again with another revision video of chapter number 3, which is Journey to the End of Earth of the book Vistas. You have already read the story of this chapter, you know this chapter really well, but to make this chapter more clear, I am going to teach you the brief summary of this chapter, and I hope that you will watch this video carefully. But the condition is that after watching this video, you will have to read the chapter thoroughly so that you can understand this chapter more nicely. So without wasting much of our time, let's start the summary of this chapter. In this chapter, the chapter's author name is Tishani Joshi, and her main aim was to take her students at the place Antarctica because she really wanted to show her students the situation of the earth in past, the situation of the earth in present, and the situation of the earth, what will be the situation of the earth in future. She really wanted to tell and show her students the things. She said that if you really want to know, if the questions are going on in your mind regarding your planet, that how was your planet in the past, how is your planet in the present, and how it will be in the future, then you can get the answers of all these questions after visiting the place Antarctica. Antarctica is the live example of the situation of the earth. You can get the answer, you can get the solution of each and everything at that place only. So you should visit that place once. So she went there with her students and she gave that program a name because she was taking her students to that a strange place to give the answers to all the questions that were going on in the students' mind and in her mind also. And that program name was Students on Ice program. That's why she took her students to the Antarctica place to show them that how was your earth in the past, means the earth was full of so much greenery in the past, how the earth is in present now, means what is the situation condition of the earth in present days, and how your earth will be in the future. When the students saw these things, they got shocked that the earth was so nice in the past, but the situation of the earth is worst in the present. So how we can expect this thing that if in the present the situation of the earth is not so good, how the earth will be in the future. So they got shocked after seeing all these things, and she really wanted to show her own students about these things, that so that they can themselves see the things that how is earth going to be in the future. Our tiny things, our small things can make the big differences. Whenever we do some of the things, some of very small things, then we think that nothing is going to happen by these things that we are doing now these days. But these small things can make the big differences, but these big differences we can see in the future only. Because our future depends on our present only. If we do good in our present, then we can expect good from our future. If our present is bad, if we are not doing anything special in our present, so who gave you the right to think that your future will be very nice or your future will be brilliant? You should work hard. If you are working hard today, then you will get the sweet fruit tomorrow. If you are wasting your time today, then you will surely have to be for that tomorrow. So that was the thing, that was the main question and the main answer that the Tishani Joshi wanted to give her students, and the students got the point very nicely. So that was her program, Students on Ice program, and she got successful in her program. And she gave the suggestion to all of us that if you also really want to know about the situation of the earth, then Antarctica is the best place and the live example of the situation of the earth. You can get the answers of all the questions that are still going on in your mind regarding your planet. Then you should visit that place and get the answer of all the questions. So that was all in the chapter. Still, if you have any doubt, any problem, then you can ask me anytime. I'll solve your problem. And read the chapter thoroughly. Okay. Prepare yourself for the assignment also, because anytime I can take the assignment of this chapter. So prepare yourself for that thing also, and take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe.